Welcome, my dear students, the second class of arithmetic progression. So it's an important chapter of mathematics for the students studying in class 10. So from the first class we have learned to find the nth term of an AP. Okay, so what is the nth term? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. What does a mean? A is the first term of an AP. D is the common difference. So based on this formula, we are going to solve some problems. Okay, so let me give you the first one. The first question says we have to show whether the progression, I'm going to write the terms 11, 6, 1, minus 4, minus 9 are in AP. Are in an AP. We have to show whether the terms given here form an AP or not. Okay. So in the first class we have discussed, in order to form an AP, the difference between any two successive numbers should be the same. That is known as common difference. So let's find it out. And even before doing the math, we are not sure whether it will form an AP or not. So that is why I am going to write let term 1 is equal to 11. Let me assume term 2 is equal to 6. Okay. T3 is equal to 1. And T4, fourth term, is equal to minus 4. Similarly, I am going to write T5, fifth term, is equal to minus 9. So we have just assumed the terms as T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. And only criteria lies here is that the difference between any two consecutive terms should be the same. So difference between the first two terms, that is d1 is equal to t2 minus t1, is it? So let me find what is the difference between the first two terms. 6 minus 11 is equal to minus 5. Okay, now let me find d2, the difference between the second and the third term. Look at the third term, t3 minus t2, that is going to be 1 minus 6, again minus 5. Already we have got the same difference in the first two occasions. Now let me find D3 is going to be the difference between third and the fourth term. Look at the fourth term, minus 4, minus 1, that is going to be minus 5. Okay, the last one is left. Let me find D4 is equal to D5 minus D4. So D5 minus 9 minus 4, minus 9, minus into minus is plus, again minus 5. So after calculation we have found that since D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to D4, means the common difference is constant. So we can say that the numbers 11, 6, 1, minus 4, minus 9 form an AP. Okay, understood? Let's move to the next question based on the formula what we have already learned. The next question is find the 16th term of an AP 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dot. So this is an AP given. Already it has been given in the question that the numbers are already in AP. So you don't need to find the common difference. The common difference is constant here. We just need to find the 16th term lying in the AP. So here start like that. A is equal to 3. The first term is 3. already we have learned from the previous class. D is equal to the common difference, only D. You don't need to write D1, D2, D3, D4 like that, because D is constant here. So D is equal to subtract the first one from the second one. So you can write 5 minus 3, that is going to be 2. The common difference is 2. N is equal to 16 because 16th term we have to find. N is equal to 16. So as you know from the formula, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is the formula we have learned. So therefore T16 is equal to 16th term is going to be A plus A means what? 3 plus N for 16 minus 1 into 2. Okay. 3 plus 15 into 2. 3 plus 15 to the 30. 33 is the required answer. That is the 16th term. Understood? Now, in this particular AP given, we have also to find the nth term. We have also to get the nth term is equal to what? This is what given. Nth term. N may be any number. So how can we find the nth term? As we know, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What was the value of A? The first term in that series was 3, isn't it? N for N minus 1 into D was 2. Is it? Just check. A3 N minus 1 into D equal to 2. 3 plus 2 into N 2N minus 2 into 1 2. So I can write 2N plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So that is the nth term of the AP already given. The second answer to the question given. Okay, so this type of questions may come in the exam. So let's move to the next question. The next question, if see Tn is equal to nth term looks like 5n minus 2. Nth term is 5n minus 2. Nth term has the form as 5n minus 2. We have to find the first term is equal to what? The first term is equal to what? We have to get the first term, as well as we have to get the common difference. These are the things to be calculated. Common difference, as well as we have to get the 19th term is what? First read the question carefully. Term n has the form 5n minus 2. So using this question given, we have to find the first term, common difference and the 19th term. So how to proceed now? Let me write what is given. Tn is equal to 5n minus 2. Clear? So putting n is equal to 1, if I put n is equal to 1, n1 means T1. T1 means first term. So let me write n as 1, 5 into 1 minus 2. Can I write that? So T1 is actually symbolized as A. A is the first term. So 5 into 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So we have found the first term. This is how, whenever a form is given, we can easily find the first term. So that is answer part 1. We've got the first term. Now let me find the second term now. That is term 2. Putting n is equal to 2. Putting n is equal to 2 here. So 5 into 2 minus 2. Because the form is 5n minus 2. Putting n is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So first term was 3. Second term is 8. So therefore, as we know, the difference is what? The common difference is T2 minus T1. That means 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. We have got the second term, second answers. We've got the second answer also. Now, A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5. We have to get the 19th term now. Is it? 15 is equal to P19 is equal to what can we write? A plus 19 minus 1 into D. This is what we have already learned. So A is equal to, we have calculated A is 3. The first term was 3. 19 minus 1 is 18 into D was 5. Isn't it? So 3 plus 18 5s are 90. That is 93 is the 19th term. We have already calculated the 19th term as 93. Understood? Now let's move to the next question. How many terms are there in the AP? And AP is given. See, based on the first formula of AP, we are going to calculate the number of terms present in the AP 7, 11, 15, dot dot dot. The last term is 139. So this is the question given. Okay. So look at the AP again. 7, 11, 15, dot dot dot. The last term is, that means the nth term is 139. The first term is 7. Okay. So using the formula again, Pn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We are going to find how many terms are lying between 7 and 139. So let's find out. Here A is equal to 7. Okay, no problem is there. Common difference. The common difference again P2 minus P1, that is equal to 4. The nth term is given 139. Nth term is given. So what is the formula of nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 139. So A for 7, n is not given, we have to calculate n. D for 4, 139. Clear? N minus 1 into 4, if I take 7 to the right side, 139 minus 7 is going to be 132. Am I right? Now n minus 1 is equal to 132 divided by 4. So after division we can write 4 3s are 12, then 1 2 4 3s are 12. So n is equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. So we have found the number of terms prevailing in the AP. The number of terms is 34. Clear? Now let's move to another question. It is given that sixth term of an AP is minus 10. Sixth term of an AP. No first term is given. No common difference is given. Sixth term is minus 10 and 10th term is given as minus 26. We have to find the 15th term now. So this is a particular question given, the new type of question. Already we haven't got such question before. Sixth term is minus 10, 10th term is minus 26, and we have to find the 15th term lying in the AP. So let's proceed. Here sixth term is minus 10. So what can I write? A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 10 from the formula. So A plus 5D is equal to minus 10. So this is an equation with two variables A and D. So let me mark it as equation number 1. Again we have 10th term is equal to minus 26 given in the question. Similarly we can write A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D is equal to minus 26. Equation number 2. So this is another equation of another linear equations of two variables. So let me solve these two equations. Already you have learned how to solve two linear equations in two variables. There are different methods. So according to elimination method of elimination, see, the coefficients of a in both the equations are same because 1 and 1. So we can easily subtract equation 2 from equation 1 in order to eliminate a from both the equations. So that is going to be a plus 5d is equal to minus 10, a plus 9d is equal to minus 26. So let me subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So after subtraction, a will be cancelled, plus will turn into negative, minus will turn into positive, because we are multiplying the second equation by a negative sign. So 5d minus 9d is going to be minus 4d, minus 10 plus 16 is going to be 16. So d is going to be 16 by minus 4. Minus 4 is the answer. That means we have calculated the common difference. Clear? Common difference has been calculated. Now putting the value of d in any of the equations, we can easily find the value of d in equation number 1. A plus, it was 5d. 5 into minus 4 is equal to minus 10. Okay, so a plus minus minus 20 is equal to minus 10. A is equal to minus 10 plus 20. A is equal to 10. So we have calculated the first term as well as the common difference. Now we can easily calculate the 15th term. 15th term is what? A plus 15 minus 1, that means 14d. A for 10, 14 into minus 4. So 10 plus minus minus 56 minus 46 is the answer. So that is the 15th term of the said AP. So okay, similarly we can calculate such problems. Okay, the next question is given like that. The 8th term of an AP is 0. The 8th term of an AP is given 0. We have to prove that the 38th term is triple of the 18th term. To prove T38, 38th term is triple its 18th term. 38th term is triple its 18th term. This is what we have to prove. And what is given? 8th term is given as 0. So this is another type of question belonging to AP. So let's proceed. I am telling you the easiest way to calculate this. What is given? T8 is equal to 0. Okay, let the first term be a, the common difference be d. So I can easily write a plus 8 minus 1, that is 7d, is equal to 0. Therefore, I can express a in terms of d. A is equal to minus 7d. Can I write that? If 7d is taken to the right hand side, it will become negative. So this is a relation. A is equal to minus 7 times of d. Now let's find out the LHS. T38 term. 38th term. So again I can write a plus 38 minus 1, that is 37 times of d. Let me put a for minus 7d. So after calculation it becomes 30d. So T38 is equal to 38 times of d. Now let's move to the right hand side. We have 3 times of term 18, is it? This is what we have to prove. 3 times. So 3 into, let me find 18th term. Again 18th term is what? A plus 18 minus 1 means 17 times of d. Clear? So a for again minus 7d, minus 7d plus 17d. So 3 into 17 minus 7 is equal to 10d. 3 tens are 30D. So you just observe, left hand side and right hand side are equal. That means LHS is equal to RHS 2.